In this video, I'm going to show you how to enhance photo using Pixelcut AI app. If you find this video helpful, consider liking, subscribe, and click the bell icon. Now open the Pixelcut. Now click on upscale. Now select the picture you want to upscale. Now here you can upscale it either HD or Ultra HD. Now let's upscale it. Choose anyone. I will use Ultra HD. As you can see, the AI is processing the photo. As you can see, the AI have enhanced the photo, or you can say it have upscaled the image. That's how to enhance photo. So in order to save it, click on this save. You have saved it into your gallery. That's how. Like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon to receive notification of more AI tools and tech related guide. See you on the next video. Thanks.